So the first step obviously is to record something. So you can either use your computer and a microphone, or it's as easy as recording something on your phone, so long as you end up with an MP3 or a WAV file. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and hop on over to Adobe After Effects. Click on New Composition. I've set the width to 1080 and the height to 300, and you'll see why in a minute. Frame rate is 29.97, that's fine. The duration, make sure that your composition is at least as long as your recording. I've gone ahead and given myself a minute. The background color black is fine, and click OK. Next thing we're going to do is create a solid. So if you go up to the top and click Layer, New, Solid. We don't care what it's called. The dimensions should be the same as your composition. I set mine to white if it isn't already, and then click OK. Next, we're going to import our recorded audio by going to File, Import, File, and navigate to wherever you've put your audio file. Once that's imported, go ahead and drag that down below your white solid and let go. Next, we'll go to the Effects and Presets panel, and on the search bar, let's type Wave. Audio waveform should be one of our options. We'll click and drag that on top of the white solid and let it go. Next, in Audio Layer, we'll click that first box and select our audio file. Then change your start point by just dragging this number right here, and your end point by dragging that number right there all the way to the ends. Next, for displayed samples, let's lower that. Let's change that to 50. Let's change the maximum height to 1000. Let's change the inside color to white and the outside color to white. And if you press the space bar to play,
love your customers, build an audience. All companies have customers.
so you can see there as the audio plays, we get a nice waveform.
Have fans.
I prefer the digital option though. So next to display options, click the box and change analog lines to digital. And if we press the spacebar to preview,
But the most fortunate companies have audiences. Jason Fried and David Hansen, rework.
so next we'll export this movie by going up to File, Export, and Add to Render Queue. It should open up the Render Queue tab. And now if we go to Output 2, let's click on that. And let's select the file name and folder where we want to stick it. I'm going to call this one Wave Test. And then click Save. So that's the first step to turn your audio into a waveform movie. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you how I took that waveform video and put it on top of my image to create the type of post that I did. If you have any questions about what I just showed, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'd be happy to help. Bye, 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 bye.